Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi 14 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $800 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The dimensions is same and the weight of these devices. The Xiaomi 14 Pro have 223 gram and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 223 gram. The build: the Xiaomi 14 Pro front and back glass and titanium frame and Oppo Find X7 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both models come with dual SIM support. And talk about the display of these devices. The Xiaomi 14 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size: the Xiaomi 14 Pro have to 6.73 inches display and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra 6.82 inches display. And the resolution of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty: the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 522 and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510 and the refresh rate is same 120Hz. The screen to body ratio: the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 89.6% and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 91.3% and Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Xiaomi Longjing glass protection and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And screen brightness: the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 3000 nits peak brightness and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Xiaomi 14 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad core setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel 135mm periscope telephoto and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the selfie camera of the device: the both device come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps and 60fps video record with selfie camera. And the platform: the Xiaomi 14 Pro and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core CPU Cortex X4 and the chipset of these devices: the both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor and the GPU is Adreno 750 in both devices and it's come with Android 14. And talk about the memory of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery of this setup. The Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 4880 mAh battery and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The fast charging of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 120 watt fast charging and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging. And both mobile have 50 watt wireless charging and also 5G network supported. The common and features is same and the result of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 23 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 24 points.